All right, how's it going, everybody? My name is Juan Carlos, and coming at you with another Google Ads video. This one is especially going to be about doing proper keyword research for your business and whatever product or services you offer, and doing it properly using Google Ads. All right, so make sure you're in your Google Ads main dashboard, which is right here. And if you don't have an account, just go over to ads.google.com and you are going to create an account and just build a simple campaign to start off so you can actually access the Google Keyword Planner. So to do this, you're going to go to Tools and Settings and Keyword Planner. And we're going to go to Discover New Keywords. Let's say, for example, you are an HVAC contractor, right? So you want HVAC leads, you want AC installation, furnace repair leads. So we're just going to use this Discover New Keywords tool to get, just to brainstorm. So let's just type in HVAC contractor, HVAC repair, let's see, AC installation, furnace repair, furnace installation, HVAC service near me. You can add at least 5 to get an idea, but Google only lets you input a maximum of 10 keywords. So once we're done with that, we are going to hit on the location because we want to go super targeted, right? So let's say, for example, you are like me, where your service area is, let's say, a 10-mile radius around where I live. So I'm from the Hacienda Heights, California area, which is in the LA County. And if you want, don't just select your current city. Let's just go 3 or 4 cities around your area. So city of industry, right? Then Roland Heights. Then I'll do Walnut, California. Then I'll do West Covina, La Puente, and Avocado Heights. All right, so as you can see, it's a pretty good radius around my location. And I'm gonna click Save, because we're going super targeted with our keywords, right? To get an idea of the search volume for our services and the cost per click and the competition, right? So we're gonna click on Save. English is all right. And we're gonna click on Get Results. I'm gonna close this window out. Now, as you can see, these are the keywords we provided. We provided 6 keywords, and Google is giving us more keyword ideas. They're giving us 3,800 keyword ideas. I'll be honest, not all of them are really high intent keywords, so we're not gonna use all of them, right? Now, as you can see, we do have a good amount of search, but what happens if we don't have at least 100 searches? Well, you're gonna wanna select a couple more cities around the area, like Covina. Let's try Baldwin Park. All right, I think that's good enough. Click on Save, and as you can see, the search volume is going to go a little bit higher, right? So if we add this up, we get a total of 200 searches for the keywords we provided. All right, now competition is this column right here. Most of these keywords are low competition, which means the click is not, your average cost per click is not going to be super expensive, even though it is, because we're talking about HVAC as a niche, which is super competitive, right? So you're looking at top of the page bid and top of the page bid high range. So it's telling us what people are paying to be on the top results of Google, right? So there's the low range, which is like the 4th or 3rd result. And then there's a high range, which is the #1 result in Google. We obviously want to be the #1 option in the ads, but in order to achieve that, we need to bid on the high range, which is $39 for HVAC repair and $36 for AC installation. All right. So as you can see, these are really highly competitive keywords. But what can we do? We could find cheaper keywords which have high intent by looking at the keywords that Google gives us, right? Like AC repair near me, which is, it does have a higher search volume, but it is still competitive, right? So you're going to be paying at least $33. Now, if you don't want to go on the low range or high range, you could just average those out and you would expect to pay $53, right? So if you're running a lead generation campaign for or a search campaign and you want leads, then on average, you will be paying the average of the low and high range, right? HVAC near me, 90 searches. Don't go for the volume column, go for the average monthly searches. And if you want to see which month has the highest search volume, it's obviously going to be in the summer. So let's just hover our mouse on top of this. As you can see, December, November, and all the cold months, it goes low. But check this out, September, which is the peak of summer, it's 390. So right now, I would probably just go with heating and furnace keywords, right? So heating contractor, heating repair, what else? Furnace installation, furnace repair, heating and cooling companies. Again, if you're not in the HVAC industry, you just feel free to insert any keywords related to your business and you'll get the same results, right? And there you have it. Heating contractor, obviously a lot less searches, but let's go down to the keyword ideas. Water heater repair. I don't think this is a good one unless you do plumbing as well. And you could just scroll to the next page and get a lot more ideas that Google gives you. HVAC repair, air conditioner repair near me. So as you can see, you get pretty good ideas from the Google Keyword Planner to use for your Google search campaigns, right? Now, this is pretty much everything you need to know when it comes to keyword research for your business. And let's just do another one, right? Let's say you're not an HVAC contractor. Let's say you are an electrician. Near me, electrical repair. Just think about how would a client or a potential prospect look for your services, right? So you have to kind of think about that and brainstorm a couple ideas. Electrical repair, electricians. These are just a couple that came to my mind, but you as an electrical company or whatever niche you're in, you'll know a lot more than I do. Take a look, electrician near me, 390 searches. So this is a pretty good keyword. Obviously, it's not really competitive, it's medium, but still you're gonna have to pay $5 to $20 per click. Electricians, which is not super intent because maybe someone is gonna be looking for electricians or jobs as electricians or electricians careers. So this is going to be another topic for another video, but negative keywords is something super important to consider before you run your Google Ads campaigns, right? Now let's take, for example, Google gives us another super powerful tool, which is start with a website. What you can do here is insert the URL of a competitor to get the keywords that they are ranking for. So let's say, for example, you are in HVAC service company in Los Angeles, right? And you have a competitor, say for example, Next Gen Air and Plumbing, which these guys are huge. I'm just gonna grab the root domain, go back to start with the website. We're gonna import it here, use the entire site, get results. But I'm gonna click on the location and I'm going to delete all of them because we wanna know what people are typing in to find this competitor to get keywords or keyword ideas for your specific campaign. Click save. And Let's take a look. Might take a little bit more, but here we go. All right, guys, this is awesome. 24-hour AC repair. This is a really, really good keyword because let's say someone's looking for a 24-hour AC repair service, right? So you know it's going to be a lot more expensive because it might be an after hours or an after service cost, which would be a lot more expensive, right? So as you can see, the keyword is being bid the highest at 66, which is pretty expensive. A lot of 24-hour, but let's go AC and heating near me, AC and furnace. A lot of good keywords. AC and heater, AC and heat unit, AC and heat repair near me. So make sure you open up an Excel spreadsheet, import all these keywords, and then what you're gonna do is go back to start with keywords, add them here. Remember, you have a max of 10 inputs, 10 keywords here, and don't leave it open because you're gonna get results for the entire world. Add in your keywords and add your specific location and add a couple cities around the area because you might just get 10 searches per month. So when it comes to Google Ads, you don't want to target your single city. You want to go at least a 10 or 15 or even 30-mile radius around your city, right? To get more traffic and more leads. So if this video helped, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is probably my second or third video of the channel. I hope you found this valuable. Comment down below if you have any questions. I'll leave a link in the bottom, in the description below, so you can contact me if you need any Google Ads help. And yeah, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. You guys have a good one.